So very basically, n, which is the refractive index, equals to sine I over sine R. So you can do the pyramid thing and you get n equals to sine I over sine R. So I is the angle of incident and R is the angle of refraction. So let's say you have this boundary, right? You have air on one side and like a medium. So let's say it's water. Then you draw a normal which is perpendicular to the surface, so 90 degrees. And now the angle of refraction, angle of incidence, sorry. Let's say I have a light ray. What the shit is this? A light ray here. Then the angle of incident will be this thing, I. And then when light travels through a thicker medium, right? So like air to water, it will slow down and bend towards the normal because light will take the fastest path lah. So what you'll do, it'll bend towards normal. So usually what I expect, if it's air to air, it'll just go straight in a straight line like this. But when it refracts, what I do is it'll bend towards the normal. So like here, here like this. Then this will be the angle of refraction R. So to calculate n, which is the refractive index, sine I over sine R. So let's say this is 30 degrees. This is 20 degrees. Okay, so calculator, you take sine 30. Then you take the answer, divide by sine 20. So you get answer, n in this case equals to 1.46. So what is exactly is n? N is c over v, where c is the velocity of light in a vacuum. Basically when it's traveling through space, or they will say air in this scenario, then v will equal to the velocity of light in a medium. So the medium that they specify, so for example water or glass or whatever that light can pass through. And basically this is the whole calculating angle thing. So you can invert so for example, let's have this problem. You have air and then you have water. You know that n equals to 1.5 because usually water is 1.5 You have the normal, you have the rays here. You know that it will bend towards normal as it is doing, right? You know that the angle of incident is 30 degrees. Then you need to calculate water. Okay, never mind, let's just say 40 degrees. So you know that sine I equals to 0.64 whatever. Then you do the math, right? So use the relationship thing, and then sine R will equal to sine I over n. So let's say you take this answer, divide by 1.5, and then you inverse the answer, you get your answer, which is 25.4 degrees. Yes. Okay, done.